In this video, I'll show you how to create a table with rounded corners in Word, quick and to the point. Open your document in Word. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click Table and insert the table with the number of rows and columns you need. Click the Table menu. Go to Table Design tab and choose the basic style you want or clear formatting so it's plain. Next, go to Borders and select Outside Borders. Now, we'll fake rounded corners using a rounded rectangle shape. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose the rounded rectangle. Draw the rounded rectangle so it sits behind your table and matches its size. Use the yellow handles on the shape to adjust how round the corners are. With the shape selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Set Shape Fill to No Fill if you just want a border. Set Shape Outline to the color and thickness you want for the rounded border. Right-click the shape, choose Send to Back, then Send Behind Text or Send Behind Object so the table appears on top of the rounded rectangle. Resize and align the table so it fits neatly inside the rounded shape and the corners look smooth. And that's it. That's how you create a table with rounded corners in Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.